All right, so let us now go through part E, and this is really tough. Only 3% of the state got full marks for this question, which shows you that it's a really tricky idea. So let's read it through and see what we can do with it. It says, the reduction in completion time for each of these 5 activities will incur an additional cost to the school. The table below shows the 5 activities that can have their completion times reduced and the associated weekly costs in dollars. So for instance, if you want to reduce activity C by 1 week, it will cost you $3,000. Activity D per week will cost you $2,000 and so on. It says, the completion time for each of the 5 activities can be reduced by a maximum of 2 weeks. Fensdale High School requires the overall completion time for the renovation project to be reduced by 4 weeks at a minimum cost. So what we're trying to do here is achieve a reduction of 4 weeks at a minimum cost. So we know that originally our minimum completion time was 35 weeks. So we want to turn 35 weeks into 31 weeks, and we want to do this with a minimum cost. So here it says, complete the table below showing the reductions in individual activity completions that would achieve this. So reductions in completion time, 0, 1, or 2 weeks. Here it is right here. So again, a very tricky question in which we're trying to turn our minimum completion time from 35 weeks to 31 weeks for the minimum cost. We're going to be going through some different ways of approaching this question now.